today? Are you good?
Yes!
Wonderful! We will be learning more baby words today. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Great! Hello! 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 This is how we say hello. Can you say hello? We can also wave our hand and say hi. Can we say hi? Hi! Can you say hi? Great! Oh, hello there, little heroes. Hi! Can you say hi to them too? Hi! We can also wave our hand to say goodbye. Bye-bye, Mama. Bye-bye, I'm going to school. Bye-bye. Goodbye, friend, I'm going home. Bye-bye. This is the way we say hello. Say hello, say hello. This is the way we say hello. Hello, everyone. This is the way we say hi. Say hi, say hi. This is the way we say hi. Hi, everyone. This is the way we say goodbye. Say goodbye, say goodbye. This is the way we say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. That is a nice song, little kids. Can we sing it a bit faster this time? Wonderful. This is the way we say hello. Say hello, say hello. This is the way we say hello. Hello, everyone. This is the way we say hi. Say hi, say hi. This is the way we say hi. Hi, everyone. This is the way we say goodbye. Say goodbye, say goodbye. This is the way we say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. This time, we say very good. Can you say very good? Great! We also do this when we want to say good job. You did well. Good job. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I want to eat something. I'm hungry. Can you say I'm hungry?
I'm hungry.
Good job. I'm eating because I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Hungry, Mommy. Hungry. Open. Can we say open? Open the door. Let's go home. Open. Bye-bye. We're going home. Bye. Let's open the gift. Wow. Open. Open. Open the gift. Wow. What's inside? Thank you very much for my gift. Thank you so much. I love my gift. Thank you. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Put it in your lap, lap, lap. Crib them, crawl them, crib Open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Put it in your lap, lap, lap. Crib them, crawl them. Crib them, crawl them. Right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open wide your little mouth, but don't let them in. That was so much fun singing that song with you, little heroes. I hope you love that song as much as I do. Shh. Be quiet. Shh. Be quiet. We say be quiet when we see a baby sleeping because loud noises wake them up. We want them to stay cozy and rested. Sometimes animals get scared of loud noises. When we're near animals, we use our quiet voices so they feel safe and happy. If we feel shouting, let's go outside and run around where it's okay to be loud. Ouch! 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 We say ouch when something hurts. It's like our body's way of saying, it's painful. Happy! I'm happy. Do you know that feeling when you're playing with your favorite toys or when you're with the people you love, like mommy, daddy, or your friends? That warm and joyful feeling you get is called happy. When you're laughing, you can say, I'm happy. And when your heart feels all warm and fuzzy, you can say, I'm happy. It's a wonderful feeling, and it's okay to share it with everyone. So when you feel happy, you can smile, giggle, or just say, I'm happy. Sad. 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 When we feel sad, it's like having a little rain cloud in our hearts. It can happen when we miss someone or when something doesn't go the way we wanted. It's okay to feel sad. Everyone does sometimes. What's important is that we can talk about it. So if ever you're feeling sad, you can tell mommy, I'm sad. And we can give you a big hug or find ways to make you feel better. I'm angry. I'm angry. Sometimes when we feel upset or frustrated, we say, I'm angry. It's okay to feel angry sometimes. It means we're not happy. We can take deep breaths or tell mommy what's making us angry. Or we can even hug our favorite toy or a stuffed animal. Peekaboo, 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 peekaboo. That's funny. We say peekaboo when we hide our face and show it again. It's a game we can play over and over again. Would you like to try?
Okay, I'll try.
That is cute.